Depending on the age of your electric stove, it will use one of two NEMA configurations, NEMA 1050 or NEMA 1450. NEMA 1050 is ungrounded and can be found in older homes, whereas NEMA 1450 is grounded and the status quo for staying up to code. Each should use their own dedicated outlet with their own dedicated 50 amp circuit breaker. 1450 is pretty easy to recognize since it can also be used for EV charging, but 1050 still gets confused. There are a few very similar NEMA configurations that use 3 prongs. A common confusion we still see often is between NEMA 1050 and NEMA TT-30. While they both have 3 prongs, they are used for very different reasons. As we stated in the beginning, you'll most likely come across NEMA 1050 in older homes with an electric stove. For those who weld, you'll recognize it too. The NEMA 1050 is a 50 amp connector rated at 125/250 volts. One thing to note about this configuration is that it's not grounded and all of the prongs are a straight rectangular shape, with the top being the neutral and the other 2 being the hot connections. The plug or outlet itself are quite large, being about the size of my palm. There really aren't any other NEMA configurations that look like this. NEMA TT-30 is mainly used for RVs, food trucks, and generators. This connection is rated for 125 volts and up to 30 amps, with the TT standing for travel trailer. The ground prong is round or circular in shape, with the neutral and hot being short rectangles. This plug is much smaller than NEMA 1050 and lacks a 3rd straight prong. The ground can only fit into a U-shaped or circular shaped terminal. TT-30 outlets will most often have a U-shaped terminal. 1050's large straight neutral blade has no chance of fitting into the ground terminal of a TT-30 outlet. Outlets are designed specifically to follow NEMA guidelines and to only accept one type of plug. A straight rectangular prong cannot fit into any other terminal than a straight rectangular one. There are no exceptions to this rule. Another situation we see often is trying to fit a 1450 plug into a 1430 outlet. Again, a straight rectangular prong needs its matching terminal. It won't fit into the L shape of the 1430 outlet. We understand that NEMA configurations can be confusing. If you need help identifying what you have and an adapter that may work for you, don't hesitate to reach out to us. If you found this informative, please give us a like and subscribe to see future videos. Thank you for watching.